I have been known to do a bit of cosplay, and some of my friends asked me would it be possible to reproduce this scene. So I started off with some 20mm bar section steel and bolted a linear rail to it. I'm going to be driving this thing with a stepper motor, so I plasma cut a mounting bracket for it, which was bolted into some threaded holes in the box section steel. I had to cross drill this timing pulley so I can put some grub screws through it to attach it firmly to the spindle of the stepper motor. And I realised I'd fitted the stepper motor on the wrong side of the 20mm section, so I had to rebolt it. Here I'm cutting another steel plate to carry the belt. I need to put a lot of holes in the belt carrier, so I'm using my old technique of cutting out a template that's been printed and then using some spray mount, actually sticking this to the belt carrier, and then I can centre punch and drill it. "3D printed some fasteners that will mesh with the teeth of the belt, and these are bolted to the belt carrier. The broom is going to have a steel rod coming out the bottom of it, and this is going to engage in this steel cylinder that I'm welding to the belt carrier. At the top, the timing belt's going to run on this timing pulley that I'm boring out to fit over a couple of skate bearings. It was around this time that I realised I hadn't got any way of adjusting the belt tension, so I made myself a second motor mount with a slot in it. Then it was time to fit the belt. And the slot in the new motor mount worked fine. As usual, I'm going to use an Arduino Nano, so I'm making myself a PCB to mount everything onto. The remote control is going to be a simple 4-channel thing from AliExpress, and it's going to allow you to move it up to one of 3 heights and reset it. I know I can get these PCBs made in China, but I really do enjoy making them myself. It's no effort, and I can have a PCB in my hand within about an hour of starting it. And of course the CNC router can drill it for me as well. I tend to do double-sided boards with minimal tracks on the top side, and then I simply wire those up with a bit of tin wire. Time to assemble. Nothing special here. I laser cut a bit of plywood to mount all the electronics onto, and then I started on the broom. A few bits I picked up on a walk. I drilled the end of the broomstick for the metal rod to go into that's going to engage in the cylinder on the belt carrier. It's bashing in so it's not going to come out. And I started the tedious process of taping twigs to the end of the broom. You can just see the steel rod in the centre of that lot. And here it is on the kitchen floor in all its glory. And now it's time for a test. Wingardium Leviosa. To make it look extra special, my friends made this magnificent looking wall for the Comic-Con that they're going to take it to. And then it was time for fun.
Let's see if Arduino can get it up. Oh, he can.
Power of Christ can build up.